Hey everybody, CJ here, and today I'm going to make up a song from absolute scratch, just using 3 or 4 notes that I pick out of a hat. Now, why am I going to do that? Because lately we've been talking about imagination. And using imagination, using ear training, music theory, and technique, and imagination all together. These are the tools that piano players use to be able to hear something in the mind and to be able to play it with the hands. So if you can hear it clearly in the mind, you can play it clearly with the hands. And so to demonstrate how all of these things, these 4 things come together, ear training and theory, music theory and technique and imagination, I'm going to pick 3 random notes. I have all 12 notes in this hat, all named, letter named notes, and I'm going to pick 3 of them, 4 of them from random, and then take it from there. Or maybe I should get a volunteer. Hey Caleb, I'm going to have my son come over and pick these notes out of the hat. Come on over, Caleb. He doesn't know he's being drafted.
I'm supposed to be all shush shush.
Shh, keep being shush shush. And come on over and just pick a note. Just reach into the hat, pick one. What do we got? We've got A flat or G sharp. We'll just press that there. Pick another one. Shuffle it around. Shuffle it around. What do we got? F sharp or G flat.
Hello, camera.
Yeah, say hi everybody. It's my son Caleb. All right. And the last one is D flat or C sharp. All right. Thank you very much, Caleb. All right.
Goodbye, camera.
All right.
See you later. Bye.
So now I'm going to combine music theory. Let me see, use some music theory to see how are these notes related. D flat, A flat, and G flat. How are they related? And what sort of music can be? Actually, these are related. These have a very simple relationship. 1, 4, and 5 in the key of D flat. That's really, really easy. Maybe I should add another note. No, first I'll tell you what, I'll start with these 3. Then I'll pick another note at random. We'll start with these 3 notes. All right. So this will be a nice, easy one to demonstrate with. All right. How to just play. We've got D flat, G flat, and A flat. I think you can hear that already. I think we can hear exactly how that could sound. Let's see, how could we use that melodically? Let's add another D flat up there. We can just sit down at the piano and just use those 3 notes. And let's change their context. Let's change it from a D flat major, and let's make our key signature E flat minor. Fairly straightforward, but as you can see, we take this music theory and we add a little bit of imagination to it, and then technique is how we execute it. I imagine something very nice and sweet and soft. Or I can imagine something that's a little more intense. Yeah? That's how they work together. Imagine something, imagine a mood, a feeling, and then convert it into logical music thoughts with music theory and your ear training. For example, when I played these chords, you can reach back in your mind. Where have you heard those chords before? You've heard this chord progression before. This was hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Yeah, you can play Hit the Road, Jack with that same chord progression. All right, so you don't need to reinvent music when you sit down and improvise. What you actually do is you build on all of your previous knowledge, all of the music that you've listened to in the past, all of your scales, or everything that you've assimilated over the years. These things all come together and are your library, and you draw from this library. All right, so one more quick one before we go. Actually, let's throw these back in here, and let's see if we can get 3 fresh notes real quickly. We've got an A. What else we got here? We got an F, and let's see what else we got here. We got G. A, F, and G. Let's add one more note, because A, F, and G, that's really easy too. So let's make it a little more complicated. And E, well, that doesn't make it much more difficult actually. All right. So how simple is it to combine these 4 notes, A, E, G, and F? Yeah? How difficult is it? A, E, G, and F. They actually come in order, E, F, G, A. You can put them in that order, E, F, G, A. All right? And let's use our music theory, E, F, G, A. And let's see, how are they all related? Well, they're all related. They all are in the key of C major. They're all in the family of A minor. They're all in the family of B flat major, F major. Sorry. And yeah, so let's see. Let's just pick one. Let's pick one. Let's say the key of A minor. And let's make a melody using this name. E, F, G, A. E, F, G, A. And like you can put them in any order you want. E, F, G, A, F, G, E, E, G, F, A. Okay, let's see. That's a little too even still, so simple. You could just A minor to C, and all of these notes can be used in F major, in G major, put these notes into as part of a scale. Let's use E as the root. This would be E Phrygian. Some music theory. This would be E Phrygian. Obviously these same notes. So music theory, imagination, you know, you can imagine the bullfighters, whatever the case may be. And yeah, use your imagination, use music theory in order to make it, turn all of these musical ideas into logical musical thoughts, and then use your technique to execute. Your technique means that you can do that as a thought. That's just musical thought. Think it, feel it, hear it, play it. That's the name of the game. And imagination is what brings it all together. Imagination brings your theory, your technique, your ear training, brings it all together. So that makes you a full pianist. And again, it doesn't matter whether you're reading sheet music or if you want to play by ear. Both require imagination and all of your fundamental skills. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and just keep playing.